Okay, this is Cicada Market or ตลาดจักรจันทร์ in Thai. If you come to Hua Hin, this is one of the places that you can't miss. What we have here is all about art. You may find print art on t-shirts, on accessory, and also handbag. We also have handicraft stuff, as well as you may find interesting show and street performance. Let's see what we have inside. Come with me. This is a very interesting show. We have street performance here. It's fun. And if you have someone you love, and he or she is not here with you, you might send them a postcard from here. And check the show time. They have a live performance here. Very fun atmosphere. You can see lots of people. All of them look so happy, enjoy shopping. And besides shopping stuff, we also have varieties of food. If you feel hungry, plenty of them over there. They have like painting stuff, see? Very interesting. It's only 100 baht and take like 10 minutes and then you get your cartoon picture. Real interesting one. Wow, look at this. This is like one of a kind. See, they need practicing. Whoa, before we can do this good, I believe they fall like many times. They have like logo Hua Hin print on most of the stuff to confirm that you come here, enjoy the place. See, the t-shirts is very interesting, relate to Hua Hin and relate to the sea, all the stuff. Starfish, fish, stingray, colorful. Whoa. And this place closed real late. You can walk around till like midnight and still have plenty of people. This is a printed t-shirt. You can have the t-shirt that look really like your face. They paint your face on the t-shirt. How cool. He needs only 10 minutes to finish one of your face. One face on the t-shirt is 300 baht only. You can have the t-shirt that look really like your face. มันนิ่มๆ oh นิ่มๆ ดีนะ This is jelly lollipop 10 baht each. Want some? Okay, what we have here? What is it?
It's jelly. It's jelly and marshmallow.
Jelly marshmallow. It's sweet, and then what shape did you make now?
Usually they're made in circles, like
circle.
Yeah.
But you also have like stars.
Yeah, those are the stars, and then there's hearts right here.
Okay, and you also have like fish shape or stingray shape, something like that.
Yeah, right now we have little frogs.
Oh, really? Well, so it's like many shapes. Isn't that nice? I tried some already. I like it. I like sweet.
Thanks.
Well, what we have here, he say comedy talk, but actually he can't talk. He just like moving and do some shows. Wow, okay. Can you smile a bit? Nope, he can't. We just try to tease him. But he really still. Hello. See? He really concentrate on what he doing. He good. Oh, finally, I get one t-shirt. See, real nice. I have a tired leg, but still so much fun. I'm not done yet. Just like sit for one, relax, and then I'm gonna move around. Look at this, so nice. See, you can sit here, have some pose with a picture. How nice.